Stock market crashes happen because of three things. It's either the balance sheet, the cash flow statement, or the profit and loss. In other words, if you take the dot-com bubble, the stock market crashed because companies weren't generating profits. So that's the P&L account of a company. Companies only have three sets of accounts: balance sheet, cash flow, or profit and loss. COVID, the sharp crash there, albeit a quick rebound, happened because of lack of cash flow. If you're shutting businesses down, they don't have cash. The financial crisis of 2008 happened because of the balance sheet. Basically, houses and assets weren't worth as much as people thought they were worth. That's probably the Federal Reserve calling me right now. Anyway, if you want to learn more about finance in simple terms, have a look at the links in the bio or alpeshpatel.com/links. I have a campaign to teach 1 million people how to improve their pensions through their lifetimes by adding an extra million to their pensions. 1 million people getting an extra million, that's $1 trillion, that's worth doing. I've taken the information and knowledge from my various books, including Trading Online, and you can download a free copy of Investing Unplugged, which was also an international bestseller, from alpeshpatel.com/links. Lots of lovely reviews from hedge fund managers, Financial Times, BBC, and the like. Thank you very much, and wish you a Happy New Year.